Searching for the best brushless angle grinder for metal feels like walking into a room where every tool looks the same. Same specs, same claims, same stock photos. But here's the thing. The real difference isn't in the flashy ads. It's in how it actually performs when you're cutting through thick steel at 3 in the morning with no room for error. Product number 1, DeWalt DCG413B, the Pro's safety net. If you want a grinder that won't quit when things get rough, the DeWalt 20V Max DCG413B is built like a tank. Priced around $193, it's definitely on the higher end, but DeWalt's reputation for durability backs it up. What caught my eye immediately was the kickback brake. It stops the wheel in under 2 seconds if it binds up, which could literally save your fingers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're grinding metal, a sudden stall can twist the tool violently in your hands. This brake senses that instantly and shuts everything down. Plus, the brushless motor means no maintenance, longer runtime, and better efficiency, especially important if you're using it all day on a job site. Over 2,000 bought in the past month tells you pros trust it. Now, some people complained about the paddle switch being a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, it's designed that way to prevent accidental starts, and after a few uses, it smooths out. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who values safety and long-term reliability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. At this price, it's an investment, but for daily metal work, it's worth every penny. Product number 2, Milwaukee 2880-20, Power with Precision. All right, that DeWalt was solid, but if you're deep in the Milwaukee ecosystem, the 2880-20 M18 fuel is a beast you shouldn't ignore. At $161, it's slightly cheaper, but packs serious punch. What stands out is the electronic clutch. It detects kickback and instantly reduces power to prevent the grinder from jerking back. That's huge when you're cutting rebar or thick steel plates. The anti-vibration handle also makes a real difference during long sessions. Here's why this matters for you. Less fatigue means better control, and better control means cleaner cuts and fewer mistakes. It runs on any M18 battery, so if you already own Milwaukee tools, you're saving money by reusing what you have. Now, some users mentioned the no-lock paddle switch can be annoying if you're doing extended grinding. You have to keep holding it down. Here's the thing though, it's a safety feature to prevent runaway tools if dropped. And honestly, after a while, you get used to it. This is perfect for you if you're already using Milwaukee batteries and want top-tier performance without switching brands. Skip this one if you hate paddle switches or need a lock-on feature for comfort. But for raw power and smart safety tech, it's hard to beat. Product number 3, Verve Wave 6-speed, budget beast with DeWalt compatibility. Now, if the Milwaukee's paddle switch bothered you, this Verve Wave grinder flips the script with a lock switch and 6 variable speeds, all for just $63. That's less than a third of the DeWalt's price. What's wild is it's compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, so if you already own them, you're golden. The 6-speed control from 3,000 to 8,500 RPM means you can fine-tune for everything from delicate polishing to aggressive cutting. Here's why this matters for you. No more burning through thin metal because your grinder only has one speed. The brushless motor runs cooler and lasts longer, and the 3D vent design actually keeps it from overheating. I tested it for an hour straight and it stayed cool. Now, some people complain the wrench is tucked inside the handle and easy to lose. Here's the thing though, it's a minor hassle, not a deal breaker, and you only need it when changing wheels. This is perfect for you if you want pro-level control on a budget and already own DeWalt batteries. Skip this one if you need included batteries or hate DIY setups. For the price, it's insane value. Product number 4, Shield Pro 3-speed, all-in-one kit for beginners. All right, that Verve Wave was great for tinkerers, but if you want everything in one box, the Shield Pro kit at $51 is a steal. You get 2 batteries, a charger, case, and even polishing discs, stuff most brands charge extra for. The 3-speed brushless motor hits up to 9,500 RPM, which is faster than some premium models. The rotating head is a game changer. You can adjust it to tight angles without awkward hand positions. Here's why this matters for you. If you're new to metalworking, you don't want to guess which accessories to buy. This kit just works out of the box. The lock-on switch also helps during long cuts. Now, some users said the batteries drain faster under heavy load. Here's the thing though, that's normal for high RPM grinding, and having a spare battery fixes it instantly. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or weekend warrior who wants convenience and versatility. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade runtime or already have a battery system. For under $60 with everything included, it's hard to argue.
Product number 5, Heimerdinger Makita Compatible, quiet and compact workhorse. Finally, if you're in the Makita world and want something lightweight but powerful, the Heimerdinger grinder at $55 is a sleeper hit. It's only 3.96 pounds, noticeably lighter than the others, and runs up to 6,000 RPM with a brushless motor that's surprisingly quiet. The 3-speed control and 2-position rubber handle make it comfortable for long use. Here's why this matters for you. Less weight means less arm fatigue, especially if you're working overhead or in tight spaces. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, so again, ecosystem loyalty pays off. Now, some people were frustrated that no battery is included. Here's the thing though, if you already own Makita tools, you probably have spares. If not, you'll need to buy one separately. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, quiet grinder for detail work or home projects. Skip this one if you need max power for thick steel or don't own Makita batteries. But for precision and comfort, it's a hidden gem. So which one's best? If safety and pro use matter most, go DeWalt. Need power and brand loyalty? Milwaukee. On a budget but want DeWalt compatibility? Fervwave. Want a full kit for hobby work? Shield Pro. And if you're in the Makita world and want something light and quiet? Heimerdinger. No single tool wins everything. It's about matching the right grinder to your real-world needs.